Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Wow. My name's Jacob. I do videos on YouTube. Could you tell me what you have in here real quick?
Alright. Got 4 ZV5 18s on 2 turn-up base 15Ks. Got 6 PRV Alto 10s on 2 MD8Ks. 4 2-inch horns on a 1200x4 turn. And 4 tweeters 800x4 turn.
Yukong? I got you from right there. All right, Yukong.
Yes, sir.
All right. Have you metered it yet?
No. Actually, I just got it back playing. I blew a sub at Ruckus and kind of set back from it.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yep. Actually, I'm thinking about going more, man. I'm thinking about taking it to 6 in a 6 total. Yeah.
This is nice.
Actually, it's open.
It's open? All right. Dude, that is sweet. Oh.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of the Yukon bass system. We're going to be getting a 2-song bass demo from him. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. He did a really good job showcasing it. This was at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021. Getting to upload it and really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. Really clean install. I like the way he has his speakers installed on his door pod. Custom, of course, to make it like that. And the way he has his amplifier rack kind of looks like a floating amplifier rack. So all the amplifiers have a mounting point that are not on the box but actually floating in the air with metal brackets to hold it up. Shows you a close-up earlier. Hopefully that helped. And on the back he has inverted subs. So question of the day, do you invert your subwoofers or do you mount them regular? I've always noticed prefab boxes in specific, people invert them in, and pretty much any box that has a smaller cubic space than recommended for the subwoofer, they always invert because the motor takes up space. And for 4th order enclosures such as these, inverting them to help with the cooling because there's a sealed section behind this box. So anyway, we're going to get to this 2-song bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.
All right. You can put the window back down. This is louder. All right. Can you give it? Do you have anything that plays a little lower, or some music? Like
I'm playing
sorry,
all
Scott.
regular music. Let me see.
or something, you know, that's a little windy. That was windy, but like it has a little bit more wind on the low end. I appreciate the demo, man. Wow, this is nice.
I got power. I just bought it. I just I got power. I just bought it. I just bought it. I just bought it. I just
Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.